Let's see.
Got those two. Incoming C. This one sort of looks like a tube.
It does, yeah.
But it isn't. Might see us do some dinosaur golf later.
There you go. We'll get some
Maybe.
fake dinosaur teeth.
Maybe. I like to see some Jurassic Park.
Yes. You freezing your butt off?
Yeah.
Why don't we get against the cliff so it's not so cold for you? Come on.
Landslide.
There is, yes. We'll bury you in colourful sand. There you go. Is this better, Zoe?
So the next will come, and then we go to scoop it up and bring it. This is why we don't have to like that. Then we don't have to like do this. This is why we don't have to like that. Then we don't have to like do this.
Very nice.
Very nice rock, James.
It's very good for skipping, but I'm not allowed to throw rocks.
They are. Oh, look, there's a nice bird there. Oh, you're not being cold. She's the picture warmth. You feel the 1,000 suns radiating from her.
Yeah, that might go in.
That, James, is a very good observation.
That's
why you don't stand directly underneath them.
That could go. Those kids could be crushed.
Well, they're not your problem, so it's alright.
Yeah, it literally. I've just spotted that. Really.
Well done, James.
But I think it's just like during winter that must have just like rain must have got caught in there and must have just
Frozen, yeah.
and it must have expanded. Well, do they really get icy?
I don't think so, no. But another thing,
It rained, I don't know.
another thing that happens, James, is when tree roots, then a tree gets ripped off and the roots dry out, then water gets in them again. Oh my God, look at your hand.
And the thing is, because of this rock. This rock must be like part of the rock.
Yeah, it must be, yeah.
So it's like chalking my hands.
It is, yeah. Crazy.
We could actually witness some rocks.
Should we throw rocks at it to help it?
No,
Come on.
that's so dark.
Actually, I think that crack is getting bigger.
Yeah, I think that could fall.
Zoe?
I think that could actually go.
Zoe, that crack is getting bigger.
That could actually go.
No, not, oh yes. Not more now.
Where's Papa? Well, you can post that and maybe make it into the news.
Yeah, I think your mom wants to go.
Really?
And she's running out of steam.
I think she's like, yeah, that's about Oh, I see it go.
Yeah. Good.